It was the morning of Paddy's Day. Patrick Mulligan.
Making bacon and eggs.
Bacon and eggs. So the car is on, and this is our shower attached to this. Going into the water thing. Works. Oh my god. That's super warm.
For cold water?
Yeah, it is. It's nice.
Oh, it was really cool. I'm really impressed with that. Don't know what it is. Tiny little, so much better than bottles of cola. Oh, quick pit stop.
So we just stopped. There's a shark aquarium. And yeah, it was kind of weird. He was like, yeah, you can pet them. I want to go fucking pet a shark.
Yeah, so we said, no, we're that.
No,
Yeah.
we did not say that. We said, we'll come back tomorrow. Are you coming back tomorrow? Definitely not. For ethical reasons and for the fact that I'm not going to fucking pet a shark.
I think it's mainly for the second point for sure. So we packed up. We are going to hike Mount Tummely because it's a beautiful view at the top. And she'll do the first.
10 meters and then I'll drink coffee with my mum. Finally, I have someone to enjoy not hiking.
And I've got someone to enjoy hiking. Alright, so we've split up now. Shula's gone back to the town over there and we're going to go hike up the top of that one. It's meant to be pretty nice, but apparently Shula's mum has just spotted crocodiles when we were just driving down here. We didn't see it, but she said she saw like a dozen of them. So you can see a beautiful beach, right? Lovely white sand, blue water. Nobody's swimming. Nobody is swimming. It's not a good sign. The whole way so far, there was no stairs, and Shul hated the stairs. We finally got to here. There's quite a few stairs. So she's probably right, to be fair. She's right again. It is a lot of steps. You already get a sneak peek. It's gonna look good. Now, it's looking like this already. We still gotta go up a lot higher. Big lane. You look past there, see that little island there? Not this one, but the little one beside it. My finger's in the way. This little island here. It's called Little Island. It's creative, folks. It just blows my mind how these beautiful beaches have no people in them. Anywhere in the world, these beaches are full of people. Full. And also from here, normally you might catch some whales crossing here as they're on their migration. That usually happens around April time or so. So we bless them.
Paddy's hiking one of these mountains. Me and Mum got a better experience because we're eating scones and drinking coffee. Cheers to not hiking.
So blue.
Look who got jealous.
I came back and I got coffee. But what was so mad about that hike is when you were at the top, the water was so clear that if there was like even a small shark just swimming, you could easily see him. It was so cool.
1, 2, 3, down there. When I grew up, I wanna play county. All together. All I find run. Oh, grace, just hold me in your arms. In the hole, in the hole, in the bog, in the bog, down in the valley. Oh, road, dirty old town. Come a day, lost my heart to the Galway girl. Cause wherever you go around the world, you'll find an Irish pub. Then Patrick drove a Honda Civic.
Just drove it up. We've gone as far as Anna's Bay. I'm always pulling like this because she was already there, but she's outside now. And we're going to go. There's some huge sand dunes, a gorgeous beach. It's really good.
Anna Bay.
Anna Bay.
Did you say that already?
Yeah.
Okay, we're in Anna Bay.
Yeah, hell yeah, we are. It's a lot rougher here than the other place. But look how cool this. I need a haircut, but look how cool this is. See the sand dunes? See how pretty that is? Gorgeous.
It's like, it's like beautiful sand dunes. It is.
So they got like forest here, and they got sandboarding in the dunes. That's awesome. Awesome sauce. Right, there's so much extra set. It's so good. It's just these.
Tick, tick.
Go for them. Goodbye.
Get all these dogs that got to us. Wait, stop listening. We're not actually trying, that's cruel, but we really hope. Ew.
YouTube. Like, no big. And don't worry, we're still getting that. The beer's in every day. Cheers. This is looking very Irish, so.
Potato on Paddy's Day.
Ain't it?
Yeah.
And try it?
No, thank you. You. I'm cooking.
That's it. Okay. She'll said, can you film? Can you film me? Can you film me? Sit up.
Cooking.
Cooking.